If you've been scrolling through social media lately, chances are you've seen flashy ads for Noviqo Skincare, a product that claims to be a breakthrough freeze-dried nanocollagen treatment promising to erase wrinkles, dark spots, and fine lines within just a few weeks. But is it really the miracle it presents itself to be, or just another overhyped gimmick? At first glance, the marketing looks convincing with dramatic before and after photos, sleek packaging, and even what appear to be Hollywood celebrity endorsements and expert doctors praising the formula. But a closer look reveals that many of these endorsements are fabricated using AI-generated testimonials, stolen stock images, and fake media logos, raising serious questions about the company's credibility. The science itself doesn't hold up either, because collagen molecules are far too large to penetrate the skin deeply, which means the idea of freeze-dried collagen reversing aging at a cellular level is not supported by dermatological research. And while some users have reported subtle surface hydration, the bold claims of erasing years off your face simply don't align with what is biologically possible. On top of that, customer complaints keep surfacing online describing slow or non-existent results. And many buyers feel misled after paying a premium price for a product that delivers very little beyond what a regular moisturizer could offer. What makes it even more concerning is the aggressive marketing strategy, where urgency tactics, limited-time offers, and unverified expert quotes are used to pressure people into making a purchase without giving them the full picture. With a cost that is significantly higher than comparable skincare options and results that don't match the hype, Noviqo Skincare sits in a gray area. It isn't a miracle solution, but it also isn't a complete scam. Rather, it's an overpriced moisturizer dressed up with flashy promises and misleading advertising, leaving consumers to wonder if it's truly worth the risk or just another beauty trend destined to fade.